Shadow is a very affectionate cat, so leaving him by himself in the RV was actually kind of a big deal. Most people make their bed in the morning, but me? No, I make the sofa. At this point, Shadow knows something is up, but he's not sure what because he knows he's usually in the carrier before I make the sofa. Next on my to-do list, I've got to go tell big boy Samson good morning. First in the truck is my Renogy Phoenix solar generator that keeps all my devices charged when I'm on the road, especially for emergencies. I brought my safe because I had to bring my documents with me for my driver's license, and I'd rather keep those locked away. This is the bag that I brought with me to the Airbnb, and this is my camera setup so I could keep an eye on Shadow. And I plugged my phone in while I was gone because that was my hotspot at the time. I turned off the propane, don't want my RV blowing up with my cat inside. Then I turned the water off, put my seatbelt on, and it is time to go. A lot of people think everything looks the same in the desert. Totally wrong. This is about your standard desert fare, and then all of a sudden there's farmland and everything's green. And then here comes mountains, which is always my favorite to see. And then we have these autumn colors, which is totally random to see in the desert. And then here comes the matching sand dune mountain looking things that I would love to go off-roading on. And then here is a big field of solar panels in Nevada. And then there's this awesome stretch of road between Nevada and California that is just so beautiful, even in the nighttime. So at this point, I'm trying to get comfortable. I really hate long drives, and this was the first one that I attempted by myself since getting my license. When I drove my RV from Atlanta to Vegas, I actually had my parents with me, so I was sharing driving time with my dad, and that was super helpful. But I guess I'll just have to karaoke my way through this one. If I start to get bored, I pull over and enjoy the view, which always looks so much better with Samson in it. At this point, I'm getting pretty close to Vegas, so whew, time to eat. Yes, ma'am. Bell peppers, jalapenos, olives, and that's about it. I don't care who thinks I'm doing too much. I am high risk and I disinfect everything. I also never touch my mask unless I have washed or sanitized my hands. Now that I've done all my anti-Miss Rona rituals, it is time to eat. I am in the desert, so gotta stay hydrated. This is a collapsible jug of water, and it is always in the truck at least half full because, well, I'm in the desert. I also have soap and paper towels in the back, which is what I'm using to wash and dry my hands.
133, then keep right at the fork.
One of the weirdest things about driving into Vegas from California is how all of a sudden the city just appears out of nowhere. First stop was at the mechanic for my smog test, and that's actually where we're going to leave off for this week.